Good morning. This is Pamela Bluewater for J&S Biblical Productions. In these times of worldwide uncertainty with shops and businesses shut down, movie theaters, sporting events, churches, and schools closed indefinitely with no timetable for opening back up, J&S would like to present an inspirational song entitled Tomorrow. Its original name is Machar, in Hebrew composed by Israeli songwriter Naomi Shemer in 1963. It was to give the people in the army hope for peace soon. It is sung by our artist, Janine Norman. Its purpose is to have everyone look toward a bright future tomorrow.
Tomorrow, perhaps our boats will all set sail from coast inlet to coast ivory, and on the old destroyers they will load oranges fresh and sweet and new. All of this is not a fable, not a dream, and it is true as noon's light. All of this will come tomorrow, if not today, and if not tomorrow, then someday soon. Tomorrow, perhaps in all the winding paths, a line will lead a flock of sheep. Tomorrow, 1,000 clappers will ring out the many bells of holiday. All of this is not a fable, not a dream, and it is true as noon's light. All of this will come tomorrow, if not today, and if not tomorrow, then someday soon. Tomorrow, 1,000 buildings will arise, and on terraces a song will soar, and then a blaze of poppies and tulips will come ascend from the ruins. All of this is not a fable, not a dream, and it is true as noon's light. All of this will come tomorrow, if not today, and if not tomorrow, then someday soon. Tomorrow, soldiers put off their uniforms, alerted to other things, and then each man will use his own two hands to build what he has dreamed today. All of this is not a fable, not a dream, and it is true as noon's light. All of this will come tomorrow, if not today, and if not tomorrow, then someday soon.
What are your thoughts on today's story? We'd like to know. So, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel, J&S Authentic Biblical Productions. Whether it's the Word of God through parables, true stories illustrating parables, or true stories in the life of Jesus Christ with commentary, you can see them all by subscribing to the most comprehensive collection of videos of biblical stories for you and your family. Have a blessed day.